is pretty hot. Wait, talking about the sun, why not let's talk about the sun? So, I guess I'm just gonna call AstroKid. Yeah? Hey AstroKid. So, I had some questions about the sun. So, it would be great if you could come. Yeah, okay, bye. Oh, okay, you're here? Cool.
Yeah, so what questions did you want to ask me?
Oh yeah, about that, I actually wanted to know all about the sun because I was pretty intrigued because it's really hot. So, I wanted to know like how the sun produces light.
Okay, so welcome back guys, and today we'll be talking about the sun.
Okay, so the question I have is the sun just like Earth? Does it have layers or is it just a glowing sphere?
Well, the answer to that question is yes. It does have many layers just like the Earth, and it is not just a glowing sphere. So first, we'll be talking about the structure of the sun. So the first, as well as the outermost layer of the sun, is the corona.
Wait, is that what we see? Is it the thing that produces all the light?
Well, no. It is just the outermost layer. And fun fact, despite being the outermost layer, that is the layer which we do not see at all. Usually when we look like at the sun, we do not see the corona, despite being the outermost layer. That I'll explain to you further later. So the corona is a thin layer of gas, superheated to 1,000,000 degrees. That is extremely hot. So the next layer below the corona is the chromosphere.
Wait, is it like Google Chrome?
No. It's just a layer of the sun. So the chromosphere is a thin reddish-hued layer of gas whose temperature ranges from 3,700 at the base to 35,000 at the top.
Wait, is that enough to make my toast?
The next layer is the photosphere. This photosphere is the thing we actually see when we look at the sun. When you look at the sun, you look at that yellow thing, right? That's the photosphere. In the photosphere, temperatures range from 4,200 to 5,700. Next, we have the convective zone. The convective zone has granular areas which form as hot material from deep inside rises up to the surface. These bubbles are actually currents moving through the sun. The next layer is the radiative zone, which radiates heat from the center of the sun up to the convective zone. Next, the center of the sun is called the solar core. The solar core is literally a huge nuclear furnace where nuclear fusion takes place. Over here, the temperature is about 15 billion degrees Celsius. Also, the sun provides pressure at the core, which is about 340 billion times the atmospheric pressure on Earth. So these extreme conditions are enough to produce light. And how does that work, you may ask? Well, all this heat and pressure is enough to allow hydrogen atoms to slam into each other and produce helium. It is this helium that provides us the heat and light which we see every day. And if you're pretty advanced into the sun, you may know that the sun is pretty spotty. And well, why is it spotty? On the sun, there are dark regions that are threaded with magnetic fields, and they look dark because they're cooler than the surrounding areas. The sun has an 11-year cycle, where at solar maximum, it has the most number of spots. It has a maximum number of dark spots. And at solar minimum, as you may guess, it has a minimum number of spots. And this is basically an 11-year cycle. So for 11 years, it has the maximum number of spots. Then for another 11 years, it has a minimum number of spots. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my other videos.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
And like I said in my first video, please comment down below any questions you have, and they will definitely be answered. And if you think there are some improvements I can make, please do comment down below too.
We would love your suggestions. Bye!
Bye.